1.5 Language Study. Naming words. A. Listen carefully and answer the following questions. What is your name? Are you a boy or a girl? Who all are there in your family? Which places do you like to visit? Which is your favorite animal? What do you like to eat? What is your favorite toy? Do you write with a pen or a pencil? Read the following passage carefully. Underline the names of people, places, things, fruits, etc. Today is Raju's birthday. He is getting ready for the school. His mother gives him a mango plant in a pot. All his friends wish Raju in the school. They sing happy birthday with their teacher. Then the teacher takes them to the backyard and plants the mango plant there. Everyone claps for him. Look and say, today, birthday, school, mango, plant, pot, friends, teacher, backyard, everyone.